technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and was traded with a negative bias during the first half of the trading session. Once the swing low of 7950 was broken on the downside, the selling pressure in Nifty intensified and the Nifty ended the day with a 90-point cut in today's trading session. Market breadth was negative with 279 advances to 1295 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Reliance, ICICI Bank, State Bank, ONGC, Tata Motors, Hindalco, JP Associates were some of the major losers in trade today. On the flip side, the IT pack, TCS and Infosys, Dr. Reddy, HDFC, GAIL, Cipla were some of the stocks which closed with minor gains in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. Now this chart is a weekly chart of Nifty. We have specifically shown today the Nifty chart. Our sense is that Nifty has completed some important wave in terms. We feel that it has completed a wave at the high of 8180. Now the weekly closing will come in tomorrow's trading session. However, to highlight the point that what we are trying to indicate is that Nifty has completed a wave at 8180 and now we expect a 23.6% retracement of this entire rise which we have seen from the lows of 59.33 up till the high of 81.80. That comes to a level of 76.20 on the downside. We are changing our short-term trend to negative and we expect the Nifty to trade with a negative bias in the coming trading sessions. On the downside, 76.20 is a crucial Fibonacci retracement level of 23.6%. So that should be a minimum that the Nifty should retrace on the downside. So our short-term trend turns negative with a target of 76.20 on the downside. On the upside, the swing high of 81.60 is our reversal level. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty once it broke the swing low of 7950, the selling pressure intensified and it was down almost 130 points, around 130 points in today's trading session. From there, it gave a bounce back in the last half an hour of the trading session and the Nifty closed with a 90-point cut. The last half an hour we saw a hammer pattern being formed on the hourly charts. Now which indicates that we might just see a pullback of this fall which we have been seeing from the highs of 81.60. So 81.60 is a swing high and if we see a retracement then the Nifty if we are expecting a retracement up till the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. So traders are requested or advised to go short on rises around the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. That will provide a good risk reward ratio. Otherwise, if we go short over here, then the risk reward ratio doesn't match. So traders are requested to go short on Nifty only on rises. Look for weakness around that 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and hourly positive close would be a good idea to wait for. So once we get a hourly negative close, then traders can initiate shorts at that time, at that point of time. Overall the strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on rises near resistances. Crucial supports are placed at 77.87 and 76.90. On the upside, 79.82 and 8,028 are crucial resistances. So these are the levels around which traders can look for signs of weakness and go short to have a good risk reward ratio. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has broken the crucial moving average and the daily lower Bollinger Band setup that we indicated in our last update, and the Bank Nifty has closed well below that, which indicates that the selling pressure on the downside shall continue. We expect lower levels in Bank Nifty as well, so our trend for Bank Nifty also changes to negative, so we expect the Bank Nifty also to trade with a negative bias. On the downside, 15,066 and 14,840 are crucial supports. On the upside, 15,550 and 15,734 are crucial resistances. So to sum it up, a short-term trend for Nifty and Bank Nifty changes to negative. The targets for Nifty are placed at 7620 on the downside with a reversal level of 8160. Strategy to play Nifty should be to sell on rises near resistances. That's all for the day. Thank you.